but I don't know what star you are. We have a star, sun, which purpose and goal of it is to serve as a life source to all the living beings on earth. And as a Toastmaster, what is your goal? Be here in this room. If you ask me this question, I would say, my goal is to become a DTM, Distinguished Toastmaster. What is Distinguished Toastmaster? It is the highest level of the Toastmasters journey. Every person who joins the Toastmaster club, goal should be to become a DTM, Distinguished Toastmaster. For this to achieve, he has to complete 2 tracks. One is communication track and other is leadership track. Communication track, you have to complete 4 objectives to complete and 3 in leadership track. Now, I will make you to walk through how we can go through these things. The first is communication track. We move on communication track. This communication track, first we have competent communicator. The main core of these communicative track, CC, is you need to give 10 speeches. P1, P2, P3, so on, you need to go till P10. Once you give these P10 speeches, you will be proficient in giving your effective speeches. So, after giving these P1 to P10 speeches, you will be qualified as a competent communicator. Once, after completing this competent communicator, what you need to do, you will be moved to the advanced level. As you saw in the competent communicator level, you have 4 levels and 3 in leadership level. Now we completed the first CC level and we move to the advanced second phase. In this advanced level, you need to give 5 speech projects per manual. This helps you in giving you practical experience. There will be 15 advanced manuals in order to complete the other 3 levels of advanced in communicator level. So there will be 15 advanced manual projects from which, in order to complete your advanced communicator bronze, advanced communicator silver, and advanced communicator gold, you need to take up 2 manuals for each level. Like, if you want to take advanced communicator bronze, you can pick any 2 of them. Like, it's your choice, elective kind. You can choose specific discussions, specialty speeches. In these 2, you need to give 5 projects. So totally you're giving 10 projects. So once you complete that, you'll be completing your advanced communicator bronze. So it is like you will complete 10 projects here once again. After that, you will be moved to the competent advanced communicator silver. So in order to complete this advanced communicator silver, first of all you need to complete bronze level and 2 additional advanced manuals. First you pick out of 15 you completed 2. Then you need to take 2 more manuals and you need to complete 5 speeches among them. So you will be completing another 10 speeches. So competent communicator 10 speeches you will complete. Bronze you will complete 10 speeches from the 2 manuals out of 15. And in silver also you will complete 2 manuals which consists of 10 projects, 5 from each. So after that, in ACS silver you need to give 2 more presentations also, like the better speaker series or the successful club series. What is the better speaker series? Better speaker series is like how you want to prepare your speech, organize the speech and deliver effective speech. You want to give to the Toastmasters club how you can prepare on that. So such kind of presentation you can do. And successful club series. Successful club series is nothing but how to organize your meeting so effectively. Put in innovative ideas to make your club successful. You have to give a 10 to 15 minute presentation of these both. Like better speaker series and successful club series. You have to give 2 presentations from that. After doing this, you will be moved to advanced communicator gold. Advanced communicator gold is nothing but you have to complete basic silver first. and 2 additional manuals which will have success leadership series or success communicator series and youth leadership. The success leadership and success communicator is like improving on communication and leadership skills, and youth leadership is like you will be having a manual which will give outside the club for the youth, like a school or scouts people. It can be from outside, you can mentor them and you can complete your youth leadership program on that. So after completing these, you have to coach a new member. A new member joins your club, you have to coach him for at least for 3 projects like P1, P2, P3. So after this, you are completed competent communicator. And now we move to leadership. We will talk about leadership, how leadership track can be completed. Core of the leadership track is, again, you will need to complete 10 leadership projects. Like our timer showing up the cards like that. You can take the roles, accountant, grammarian, Toastmaster of the day, select and tasks, contest shade for a contest which will be held in your club. Taking up all the roles, describing these 10 leadership projects, you will be completing your competent leader. This will help you to improve your skills as a leader. So once you complete the CC, CL, you will be moved to ALB, Advanced Leader Branch. In order to achieve this, first you have to be a CL, you should get a CL competent leader. Next, you should be also the competent communicator, like P1 to P10 in competent communicator, you have to complete that. And 6 months as a club officer. Either you should be a president, VPE, VP membership, Sergeant Arms Secretary. You have to serve as a 6 months as a club officer. And you should be a part in the help of successing your club. And 2 presentations you have to give it again from in that. Like as I mentioned, your success club series or leadership excellence. By giving these, you will complete your advanced leader bronze and you will move to advanced leader silver. First, advanced leader bronze is completed in order to get the advanced leader silver and serve as a district officer. District officer like being a governor, area governor, division governor, lieutenant governor. You have to serve as a district officer. And you should be able to sponsor a club or mentor or coach a club. If a new club, like we have a new building over here at VMware, if they want to start a new Toastmasters club, you can go and mentor them, or you can sponsor that club. So all these kind of activities is like bringing out the leadership qualities in you. And we have to take one more high performance leadership, which will be having the 5 projects that deals with high performance leadership and setting the goals and achieving that goal. Achieving the goals, that all the leadership qualities you have to get it. And each and every project you deliver 5 projects, and each and every project will be given a feedback through your projects. So once you complete that, you achieved ACG award and ALC award, and what else it will be? You will become a DTF. So, dear Toastmasters, what is your goal? You want to sit here and you want to start a new life by sitting there or coming here, giving your speeches, taking up roles, becoming officer, sponsoring the clubs. Come out of your comfort zone. Be like a Kamal Hassan, Rajnikant, Shah Khan. Strive for it, take for it, and become a Toastmaster. Don't be like a normal communicator, just completing a CC, sitting there getting a CC award. It is not your goal. Your goal is to become a DTM. Over to you, Toastmaster.